In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template on Mailchimp. So first, go ahead and open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account like normal. Once everything loads, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your campaigns and audience tools are organized. From here, you want to head into the area where email design and templates are managed. Now go ahead and click campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps all your email marketing activities, including drafts, sent emails, and templates. Once you are inside the campaign section, look through the options and click email templates. This will take you to the template library where you can either use pre-made designs or build your own. Once you're in the template area, you'll see a variety of template options available. These are ready-made layouts that you can customize depending on your brand or campaign style. Take a moment here to browse through and choose the one that fits your goal. Now hover over the template you want to use and click Create Template. This opens the editor and loads the template so you can start customizing it. This is where you turn a basic layout into something that matches your brand identity. Once you're inside the editor, you can start editing the design. You can change images, update fonts, and adjust colors so everything matches your branding. This step is important because it makes your emails look consistent and more professional when they reach your audience. After that, you can start building the structure of your email using drag and drop content blocks. These blocks let you add things like text, images, buttons, and sections just by moving them into place. You can rearrange everything until the layout looks exactly how you want it. Take your time here and make sure each section flows properly. You can stack blocks, move them around, or remove anything you don't need so the template feels clean and easy to read. Once your design is coming together, click Preview. This lets you see how your email template will look on both desktop and mobile devices. It's a really important step because it helps you catch spacing issues or layout problems before you actually use it in a campaign. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Save and Exit once you're done. This stores your template in Mailchimp so you can reuse it anytime when creating future email campaigns. And that's it, a simple way to create an email template on Mailchimp by choosing a layout, customizing it with your brand, and saving it for future use so you don't have to start from scratch every time.